Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by making sure your Realme is ready. Update the system, then connect to the Wi-Fi you plan to share. Once connected, go to Settings, Personal Hotspot, and locate the option that allows hotspot while Wi-Fi is on or the Wi-Fi repeater feature. Enable it now. You do this because stock Android often disables Wi-Fi when sharing, and Realme's toggle keeps your Wi-Fi uplink active while serving other devices. Make sure mobile data is off, unless you intend to share cellular. Once the feature is enabled, configure the hotspot. Pick 4 GHz for compatibility or 5 GHz for faster local speeds if all clients support it. Give the hotspot a clear SSID and a strong WPA2 password, and cap connected clients to 3 to 5 to avoid slowdowns. Then inspect DHCP settings, assign a static IP to any device that needs stable connections. You do these steps to balance performance and reliability. They stop IP conflicts and keep the shared Wi-Fi link stable under load. You finish by testing. Connect a client device to the hotspot and confirm you can browse and reach local devices on the original Wi-Fi. Make sure to monitor battery and data usage. Hotspotting while relaying Wi-Fi can heat the phone and drain power, so plug in if needed. If something breaks, try the key troubleshooting step. Toggle Wi-Fi off and on, disable then re-enable the hotspot, and reboot the phone if required. This sequence clears conflicts and usually restores the bridge function.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.